Okay, good. Which one did you got? Oh,
Gigantisch grote Sprinkhanen.
Are we gonna? Yeah?
I don't even know.
Bottoms up, man.
Oh man, everyone is watching now.
Oh,
they're like.
There's an audience.
It is actually not that bad.
How is it? Yeah, what's it taste like? You guys are not making any facial.
No, it doesn't.
You're not giving yourselves away.
It doesn't taste that terrible.
Yeah, if you look at this.
You just pop it in.
Yeah.
He's doing like little bites,
I'm not
legs
eating
at
the
the
leg.
end.
Did you eat the leg?
Yeah, I ate everything.
She's a champion.
Want to try one? Oh, come on.
Is it okay?
Yeah,
It's okay.
It's
Okay.
Is it okay?
Not the biggest
It's not.
one.
You want 2 or 3 of them?
Hey, kun je hem al?
Oh, Claire.
I can't wait.
What is it?
It's a grasshopper, looks like.
It's grasshopper. This is my favorite.
No! Oh my gosh.
That's my mom.
Oh my gosh. Do you want one as well? No.
You want a little worm? There's little worms on the bottom.
Claire, I don't even want any of them.
Oh man, we just ate this one and it's okay. The grasshopper.
Okay.
This is like the biggest, blackest cricket
sure
I've
you
ever
don't want
seen.
it?
Yeah, you've won it.
Go right ahead.
Take a picture or a video or what?
Go for the big one. Video?
I'm just asking.
Yeah, alright.
Ready?
Oh my god.
You can feel the tension.
Gonna try that one. Okay,
I'm
go.
sweating.
Hold it up. Okay, hold it up so I can see it.
I
Yeah.
just want to swallow it. I think
Yeah. Try it. Oh my god.
Oh, Claire.
Oh my god.
How are you doing? Are you okay? Yeah,
It's okay. Yeah, taste is pretty good.
Here, these are pretty.
Oh my god.
We
got a little grasshopper.
yeah.
You got it.
What is it?
It's a tasty little treat.
God, no! That's so big.
Are you
serious?
It tastes really good.
I need like a juice.
I'm gonna go for a
You get the small one, I get this one? Yeah, yeah, you're the one that's like making me do
I'm gonna
this.
go for the small one.
Alright, bottoms up.
Bottoms up.
Thumbs up, come on.
Here, we're going.
Yeah, you go.
Yeah, how was it? You
Tastes actually
Yeah.
good.
taste it like.
It's just like
I know, I need something to drink. It's like.
Yeah, just
It's something fried.
How was it?
Hello.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
I told you.
It's alright, it's alright. It's alright.
It's like crunchy
Thank you.
fried.
Yeah, exactly.
Everything.
You
Everything.
just taste fried stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go again.
Thank you so much.
Of course, you're
Yeah.
welcome.
We
You're
give away
actually
free
helping us.
experiences.
Yeah, give me strength.
Luke, did you try this one?
No?
That one is actually pretty good.
Come on. It's actually okay. Oh man. Nou, dit is onze ervaring.
Ja, we hebben meteen allemaal mensen onderweg.
Azië. Als je insecten koopt, dat is de conclusie, dan word je fucking populair.
Hier is het ook al.
Ah ja, nog ook. Ja.